Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video is for enabling firmware TPM in Ryzen processors using MSI motherboard. So if you have MSI motherboard like I have Tomhawk for Ryzen 3600. If you want to enable the firmware's TPM, maybe because you want to install Windows 11 or maybe something else. And by the way, there's a technique to check whether your TPM is working or not. Just press window key plus R, open this run window and type this tpm.msc and click OK or just press enter. It will show you this window in which you can check whether your TPM is on or off. Mine is already turned on because obviously I did turn that on before recording this video. So just go to the setting and here the security tab and then trusted computing, then make sure this option must be enabled. Mine is already enabled obviously, and also check this option, it should be selected, not the disabled one. Choose this AMD CPU FTPM, and by the way TPM is called FTPM when it comes to Ryzen and AMD hardware. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So just select this and go back, save and exit. And also here save change and reboot. This will tell you that what change you have just made. Select yes. Now this will reboot. Okay, so window has now booted up. This says here TPM is ready to use, status TPM is ready to use, and version specification version 2.2, manufacturer AMD. So now we are good to go to install Windows 11, I guess. This is a software to check the compatibility of Windows 11 in your PC. You can download this, I will give the link in the description. Check now. This PC meets Windows 11 requirement. Prior to this modification which I just did, it was saying your PC is not ready for Windows 11 yet. It was saying something like this because my TPM firmware wise TPM was not enabled, because obviously I don't have any hardware wise dedicated hardware TPM in my motherboard. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, consider liking this, and for more similar kind of videos you can consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.